Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we talked about the texting feature in DaVinci, which is a free editing program, great program, and we use that a lot with a couple other editing programs, but this is one of our main ones. So we talked about just the standard text, helping you guys out there where to find the standard text and implementing that in. And we had in the other one, we had the scrolling feature. So today we're going to be talking about the fusion text. So we'll add in a fusion text and I'll show you that on the next page. Okay, so we're here on the next page and you can see here the fusion text is inserted, which is, when it says fusion, it's more of a designed. It has, you know, this one is a shelf fusion text is what they call that. And as soon as your video plays over that, the shelf text pops up. So if you want this on the whole, you know, timeline when you're talking, and then you just, of course, like we talked in the other video, just pull it out, extend it to that, and then that'll have all the main controls and everything over here. You just click on those, set whatever text you want in there. You can set the color lighting, color coding. We'll just let you guys mess with that. We won't get into that too much. But now one thing we did want to, you know, let you know as a precautionary within these, depending upon, you know, especially the free DaVinci. Now I don't, you know, the paid DaVinci doesn't do it as much, but there is an issue with the fusion. If you extend this out too far and you're trying to actually record or process your video after it's done, it will actually go through this processing and then lock up right here if you extended it out too far. What I mean by too far is for some reason, the more things that you implement in with your edit, such as the fusion text, which takes a lot of memory, it will literally actually stop and say that there's an error in processing. So if that happens, then it's because you either have your fusion text too long, too lengthy, or too many of them within a video feature. So that's some of the things that we've ran into, and we've also had some questions in regards to that, but we wanted to let you guys know that are just kind of starting out adding this text. If you run into that and you're processing a video and you see error, that's one of the issues. And in other segments, we're going to talk about some other errors that can occur with DaVinci. But we hope this helps on the second part of the text, and we'll see you on the next one.